Hi, what's up? This is Gamer, and today I'm back in a new video, and today I'm gonna be playing Bedwars, but it's cursed. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe, and let's hop into it. Okay guys, so we're in the first game, and you can already tell Minecraft is so cursed, bro. So yeah, we're gonna be trying to actually win at least one game. We're gonna be doing duels after like 2 games of Bedwars, so we can have better experience with the cursed Minecraft. Okay, so I got a strategy. So I'm gonna be acting like a noob. So I'm not gonna speed bridge. I'm not gonna like do cool tricks or stuff. I'm just gonna play slowly and like a noob, just so I can win. Actually, I might play annoying too, just because why not? Like, I don't have anything else to do, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. And this kid doesn't seem that good. Actually, he probably is, but like, bro, someone is rushing me already. There's so annoying. Bro, my bed got destroyed. Wow, I hate this game. Okay guys, so we're in the second game, and the first game was so unfortunate. Hopefully the same thing doesn't happen, because that would really suck and I would like want to kill myself. But like, yeah, let's keep playing. Okay guys, so my strategy is to start bridging early, because I'm gonna be new bridging without like speed bridging, because I don't want to risk falling into the void. Like, even with not a cursed Minecraft, I would still fall in the void easily. So yeah, and I can't aim with this, so like, kind of sucks too. Can I make this jump? No, I can't. Die, please. Okay, so much his base again. I did get him. So like, yeah. Why are you eating a golden apple? Like, I hate you, bro. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just waiting for a good moment so I can like actually go down and get the bed. But like, I want to see if I can make this jump. Yeah, I probably can't. Die, please. Oh, okay. Bed, please. Oh, I got him. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I see blue, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was blue. He just took my diamonds, bro. Oh my god. Really, Aqua? Like, you didn't have to get my bed. Okay, so I don't know what base this is. Oh! Bro, the second game was so unfortunate as well. I was gonna get the bed, but then Aqua, I think, fireballed me from the back, which kind of sucks. So yeah, let's do my strategy again. It kind of worked last game, but it's just that I wasn't paying too much attention to my surroundings. Die, please. Bro, he's so low. Okay, so I'm pretty sure he's not gonna rush me when he's that low. Bro, he is actually stupid, bro. What is this kid doing? Oh my god, I swear. Okay, so I hate Bedwars, so let's do some some duels. This is classic. I'm probably gonna do bridge after this. Bro, I cannot aim. Okay, I'll do one more classic and then I'll do bridge. But I want to see if I can actually hit one shot. Oh, I got him. Can I kill him? Please, die. I'm sweating so hard right now. Oh, let's go. Okay, so we're in the bridge game. Hopefully we can win this game. Okay. please let me win this game, man. Like I already lost all the Bedwars games. So can I win this? Okay, so he doesn't seem that good. Bro, where is my aim? I can literally not aim with this. Wait, can I get him? No, bro, how is my, like, I don't get it. How does this affect your aim? Sadly, I don't know, but I just did that. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Block this. Go like this. Oh, juke. Well, okay. No, he blocked it. Okay, wait, am I? Let's go. I did not expect him to block it. He said suck, bro. Wait, I want to see if I can make him rage quit. Do you think that's possible? Okay, die. What? Okay. I probably could have erased that. I just don't want to risk it. Die. Oh, let's go. Okay, I'm him. Like, the only thing that he can do that I can do is aim. So, yeah. Hopefully we can win this game. I'm pretty sure we can. He doesn't seem that good. No offense. But like, yeah. Okay, yeah, I suck, bro. How did I not clutch that? Okay, bro. My excuse is all on the texture pack. I mean, whatever this thing is. Like, it's all on this, bro. Oh, bro. Okay, man. By the way, guys, this is actually my first long video, longer than 3 minutes. So yeah, like my past 2 videos were pretty short, just because they were my beginning videos. But hopefully from now I will start doing longer format videos. And yeah, so like I kind of asked you guys in my previous video if you guys want to see like SMP videos, and a lot of you guys said yes in the comments, like 2 people or 3. So that's still a lot. But yeah, and they wanted it to be modded, so I'm working on the SMB right now. Hopefully we will finish in a couple days, and yeah, we will actually start. So if you guys actually want to join the SMP, yeah, like I'll like just comment down below and I'll message you stuff. And after the video, I mean after the SMB actually opens, nobody can join again. So like if you guys want to join, you better join right now. And yeah, like hopefully you guys enjoy this video. And like I'm not gonna be adding subtitles and stuff because I just want it to be a chill normal video. I want to see how this does. And yeah, hopefully we can like get more views and stuff. But yeah, let's go. We won. Okay guys, so I decided we're gonna end this video in a Skywars game for some reason. Don't ask what? Okay. I don't know why that's there, but yeah, like, bro, I hate this kid. Okay, I might wanna run a little bit. Can I kill him? Yep, easy kill. Please die. Let's go. Bro, he was a Skywars godlike too, okay? And he was in the top 200s. And I still won somehow. So that was the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.